Last but not least, let me show you how you're going to use your self-directed 401k to acquire real estate. First off, we have to ensure we're observing all of the prohibited transaction rules that I just laid out.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then HouseCashin gets the cash flowing.
A couple examples again, so we're not buying property from a prohibited party, yourself, family members, etc. We're not going to buy property that we intend to work on ourselves or hire a family member to work on. Again, that'd be breaking the prohibited party rules. So to start, we're going to observe all of those rules. So we're buying property from a third party. We're going to rent to a third party individual. And so that's going to ensure that you don't run afoul with any of the prohibited transaction rules to start. Next, I would say most important is the titling on the purchase agreement. So when you acquire a property that you're going to live in, you write John Smith, for example, on the buyer line. When you use your self-directed 401k, you're going to use the name of that self-directed 401k plan on the buyer line of your purchase agreement. Very important that you're using that titling, and or if you have a checkbook model, you're going to use the name of your LLC as the buyer for any purchase contract you're going to negotiate. That extends as well to any service providers you're going to engage. For example, a property management company. You're going to have that contract read the name of your 401k plan or the name of your LLC in that checkbook model. Same with any contractors, plumbers, landscapers, etc. In the name of your 401k is how you do business with those types of service providers. From there, the next most important piece to be aware of is financing. When you use a self-directed 401k plan to acquire real estate and you do not have the capital available for the entirety of the purchase price, you're going to need to acquire a loan. In this world, it's called a non-recourse loan. That essentially means the loan is not based on your credit worthiness and your credit history as an individual. Like if you're buying a property to live in, that's what a loan's based off of. In this world with the self-directed 401k, the loan is based on the asset itself. So the sales comparables, the rent comparables are going to be the most important aspects to securing that non-recourse loan. So to review, we're going to observe all of the prohibited transaction rules. We're going to ensure that the titling on our purchase agreements and any other agreements we make are in the name of our 401k plan or the LLC for the checkbook model. And then lastly, for financing, you have to secure a non-recourse loan. Once you're comfortable with those items, really you're home free. Thank you for watching the video today. Again, my name is Ted Erickson. My Direct IRA is our company. Look forward to helping you in the future.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then HouseCashin gets the cash flowing.